My name is Mark Steinhauer and I work at Advanced Orthopaedic Solutions. I design some of our products, but I also am the IT and Syspro administrator. Advanced Orthopaedic Solutions designs and distributes orthopedic implants, nails, plates, and screws for fixing broken bones. Our product is all make to stock. We build up kits that have all the different components that might be needed to do a surgery. That's implants and also the surgical instruments. Sage Business Vision didn't have the inventory management tools or production and work order tools that we needed, and that was holding us back. And then we found Syspro. One of the things that really drew us to Syspro was the ability to customize Syspro and the uniformity throughout the whole system. The implementation process went quite smoothly. It took about 6 months and we finished on budget and on time. After implementing Syspro, we've been able to have a lot more detail into what we can see across the board, whether it be in our jobs and work orders, and where they stand, or where our inventory is, what transfers we've had. There's a lot more visibility into what we have where, and that's really helped our operations team. We have Syspro set up so each distributor that we have across the country has a warehouse in Syspro, because everything that we have at their warehouse is consigned. So we still own it, even though they're holding on to it and they're outside entities. Syspro helps us stay competitive by giving us up-to-the-minute data on where everything stands, and that helps us keep our business running a lot more lean.